Question 5. Given the quadratic equation has two real and equal roots, find the ratio of a to b. Okay, two real and equal roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So from here, our a is a, our b is negative 5b, and our c is 4a. A is always the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c will be the constant where there is no x. Okay, so then we put it into our equation. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b is negative 5b square, a is a, and c will be 4a. So this will become 25b square. Negative 4a times 4a is negative 16a square equals to 0. So from here we can actually factorize these two equations. But we don't have to, since here they want us to find the ratio of a to b. Okay, let's bring the a over the other side. So 25b square equals to 16a square. So to find the ratio of a to b, we find what is a over b. So 16a square is 25b square. We make a the subject, or we can make a over b the subject. So a square over b square, we bring it here, it will become 25 over 16. Okay, so I brought the b this side, becomes divide, and then the 16 bring here, it will become divide. So this can be simplified to a over b squared. So a over b will be square root of 25 over 16. Therefore, a over b is 5 over 4. We square root 25 and square root 16, we get 5 over 4 . So we can say a to b is 5 to 4. This will be our ratio. That's it.